Today I had a special request to make a ring with the letters BP to represent the Korean pop band Blackpink. I'm going to make a pendant. I'm using 8 inches of 20 gauge German style wire to make a kind of note formation. So we're going to bend the wires down, and I'm going to use my bail making pliers to make the circle of the note, and we're going to bend the wire around to a full circle and bend it to the side. And then we're going to get our chain nose pliers to bend the wire to the front. So that's the top of the B, and we're going to bring it around to form the bottom of the B. Grab your bail making pliers again to bring the wire around to the side. That's the bottom of the B, and then get the chain nose pliers to bend the wire straight up. From there, we're going to bend the wire to the back and just bring it in a little bit to finish it and clip the end with the flush cutters. Now we're going to get the bail making pliers to make a circle on the other side. This will be for the P, bringing the wire around and down. And then we're going to bring it up. And then we want to bend it to the front. So we're going to hold it firmly and bend the wire to the front to form the side of the P. Press it, adjust it, and get your chain nose pliers to bend the wire to the back. Then we're going to clip the end flush and just pinch in that little end so it's not scratchy. And there's your note with the B and the P. Now we'll make a ring, and we're using wire again. I'm using the German style wire in 20 gauge, and we are going to start by forming the B. So we're going to bring the wire around to form the top loop, bend it to the back, press it, adjust it, get the bail making pliers to make the bottom part of the B, bring it right around, and then we want to take the end and bend it to the back to finish the wire. Clip it flush, pinch in the little pokey end, and get a ring mandrel, or you can use a marker or any round form you want. Bring the wire around, press it, remove it, make sure it's going to fit your finger, and we're going to bend the wire up for the P. And then bend it across. Get the bail making pliers to form the curve of the P. Adjust it. Hold it firmly with the chain nose pliers and bend it to the back. Press it down. Clip the end. Pinch in the little pokey end. And adjust it as you need. Put it back on the ring mandrel to press it in place. You can lightly tap it with a hammer if you want. And there's your ring with B and P. If you want to make it with a paper clip, I have a paper clip that's about 3 3/4 or 4 inches long. We just open it up with the flat nose pliers, the chain nose pliers. This one measures about 4 inches. Most of them standard size are about 3 3/4. And we're going to form our letters at the end of the paper clip, getting our smaller round nose pliers to form the curves. And then I'm going to bend it out instead of to the back so it's nice and flat. Press it and bring the wire around to form the B. And we're just going to finish it flush. We're not going to bend the end or anything. Paper clips are quite stiff, so it should hold its form. Put it on the ring mandrel, bring the wire around as we did before. Remove it and bend the wire straight up to form the P. Give it a bit of push, adjust it, and we're going to bend it across at the top of the P. Take your round nose pliers and bring the wire around in a curve. Hold it, and I'm just going to bend the wire back and forth to snap it. You don't want to ruin your good cutters. This is like a steel wire. Pinch it in place, make sure it's even. Put it back on the mandrel, press it, and there's your super cute paperclip ring with the B and the P. And then I did another one with the stem of the P hanging down. And we're just going to bend this end to the front so it just sits in the little crevice there. Give it a little pinch so there's no little pokey ends. Adjust it as you need. I like this design with the little stem hanging down. It's really cute. And there's your other version of the paperclip ring. I'll link up the other tutorials for the Korean pop bands in the description below the video.